Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about product ideas. So basically how to go about doing some research on product ideas and also what to look for. So come here, let me just show you something, right? This is my screen right here, and I'm currently looking at a particular product that is a very simple product, right? So it's a very basic product, lightweight. It's basically a splash mat for kids. You know how kids are all messy on their high chairs, right? And they're dropping things, they're throwing things at you, and it's a very messy exercise feeding a kid, right, as you probably know. So this is a very simple product. Now let me just show you the numbers on this particular product, right? So you kind of do need to have software. This is the software that we have in our members area for our students. This actually shows you actual figures of basically what these particular products are actually selling for, right? Now just have a look here. This is a splash mat for high chair, right? That's it right there. That's doing $3,600 US a month, right? We've got here another splash chair. You got here, this is a round plastic play mat, waterproof, right? You've got, what's this one here? This is a splash mat, bumpkin splash mat, doing 10,000 US, right? You got another one here, little growers, right? Comes with a bonus bib from the looks of it, right? So guys, you can't get any more simple than that. When you're looking for product ideas, here's a few things you need to look for, right? And this is the sort of stuff we discuss on our live presentations and webinars that we do. First of all, a simple product, something that doesn't really have AA batteries, something that can't explode or hurt somebody, right? Something really simple. You don't want to plug it into a wall. You don't want to do lighting fixtures or drones or anything like that. Nothing too complex, especially for your first product. Second, small, something that folds up. Now this splash mat is doing some pretty decent numbers, and it's small, so it folds up and you can basically put it in a shoebox. And that's the third thing, shoebox size, so less than 45 centimeters. Why? Because the Amazon box that they send it out in is actually a shoebox, right? And lastly, is it something that you can brand? Maybe that's something you want to do, brand your own product, put your own logo on a particular product. Well, that's the sort of stuff that we do teach our students on how to go about branding their own products. So guys, these are the sort of products that you need to look for. You know, small, lightweight products that are actually relatively easy. Let's just zoom out. Let's just have a look at some of these other products, right? So this particular product, they're actually bundling it. This is what we call bundling, right? So they've taken a normal splash mat, which is actually doing some pretty good numbers right now, but they've decided, you know what, let's add this bib in. It doesn't cost us any more to add a bib in, and it probably increase results, right? Probably might increase sales, right? So they've basically turned a normal splash mat product into a brand new product by simply adding another product in addition, which is a very simple bib product, right? So guys, that's it pretty much for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to have a chat with one of my team members, I would love to chat with you also personally. Below this video, there's a link. Give that link a click and have a chat with one of my team members today. And we are running workshops around Australia and New Zealand. I would love to meet you in person and get you started on Amazon. So if you're looking for product ideas to sell on Amazon USA or Australia, and you're looking for the guidance, so maybe the step-by-step procedure to getting a product from A, which is finding the product, finding supply, and then getting it listed on Amazon. Have a chat with us today. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.